Do you want the life of waking up at 8 a.m., taking a shower, making yourself a nice breakfast, nice coffee, sitting down in your home office, and then start working at 9? If that is you, you have to keep watching this video because I am sharing with you the websites that advertises work from home jobs that are hiring South Africans at the moment. Not only South Africans though, all over the world. Keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to the side of the internet. My name is Lindsay and I make personal finance videos. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys work from home jobs that are willing to pay you thousands and thousands of rands by just simply waking up and being an assistant for an American company. Yes, you heard that right. You are going to be working for American companies while you are in South Africa. So if that is your vibe, you want to work from home, continue watching this video. So guys, this website is hiring people from Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, El Salvador, Honduras, Mexico, and South Africa. So if you are in these regions, then make sure to listen up because I am going to be giving you guys the scope of the companies that are hiring South Africans and all these countries that I have listed here. Right, let's get into it, guys. So the top job posts that I see here that are listed on this website are legal assistant. So you will be an assistant of a legal law firm. Yeah, so if you've been an assistant before, then you have a upper hand. If you've never, don't worry because some of these don't even require experience. They are willing to train you in order for you to work for them. And another one is an intake receptionist. So if you have been a receptionist before, then this is going to be a good one for you. Even if you haven't, like I said before, these people are willing to train you. And the salaries range from 20,000 rand all the way to 40,000 rand. So you are going to be earning quite big bucks while you're working for these companies. But let's jump on into the screen right here so that I can show you how the website looks like. And okay guys, so we are in right here. The website is called Job Duck and this is how it looks when you enter. And it says here, helping incredible people build an amazing career working from home for a United States based business. So let's see the type of jobs that they have. So you deserve a great opportunity, which you do believe it. Okay, so it says here they want an intake receptionist, which it pays 20,000 rand. Guys, for 20,000 rand you can get a nice apartment here in Durban. I'm in Durban right now, as you guys know. I live in Durban, so you can get a nice apartment with the view. Right now my apartment has the nice view of the harbor. I'll show you guys. Right, I have the nice view of the harbor. So with this money, with 20,000 rand, you can literally get an apartment with the nice harbor view, with the ocean views and stuff here in Germany. And you can also buy yourself a car. You can sustain yourself. You can buy yourself food every month. You can buy yourself clothes while you're working from home. You can even take yourself out with this amount of money. Another job that is available is an executive assistant. Another one is his billing assistant, which means that you're taking care of invoices. Right now I have a 9-to-5 job, as you guys know. I work in tourism and part of my job is making sure that the invoices are paid, making sure that our suppliers are paid, making sure I have a good relationship with the suppliers, and then the prices are priced right and everything like that, and negotiating. That's my job. So here, for a billing assistant, I can actually apply and get in. So yeah, let's move on to, because there's a lot of job opportunities that are listed here. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, we have another receptionist post. We have a client happiness coordinator. I don't know what a client happiness does. Make sure you make clients happy. I don't know, but let's read the description, I guess. Sending new client welcome kits. Oh, okay. Preparing clients for meditation by ordering their favorite types of food and snacks. Sending strategic gifts and handwritten notes. That is literally an entry-level job, guys. You don't need much skill to run this job. Literally all you have to do is send them welcome notes, is sending them gifts, just buying them gifts from Target and buying them gifts from Amazon and stuff. That's literally your job. So that is also done online. You order from Amazon, you enter your client's address, and then you send it straight to their door. You just have to be at your home in your comfort zone. As you guys can see, these are not hard jobs at all. In fact, I want to apply for this one. No, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm already working. But yeah, we also have a marketing assistant here. So guys, it's a lot of jobs that I see here. We also have a legal assistant. This I wouldn't like doing because you're an assistant for a law firm. If you guys like complicated things like that, then you might thrive. But for me personally, I don't like intense working environments. I like environments to be free and fuzzy, you know, just warm, man. So I don't think a law firm would be that great of a job for me personally. But if you like intense working environments, then this is definitely for you. And then we have a receptionist. So let's click on apply now just to see. By the way guys, this site will be linked in the description box below, just in case you want to click on it. You can just click on it and find the jobs available. Okay. Okay, for example, let's just say we want to apply for the legal assistant job, right? So you click on apply. So you guys can see they're paying 22,000 rand, 600 rand and stuff. But when you click apply here, let's just click apply, autofill the resume. So guys, if you already have a resume or a CV typed, you can literally just upload it here and call it a day. But if you do not have a CV, you can just continue here and type the information manually, which is going to take you a long time. Might as well just upload your CV and call it a day, right? And having a CV will help because you can apply for more jobs at a shorter span of time, because your CV is already drafted. You only have to draft it once and then just drop it in literally each and every job opportunity you just see here. Guys, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Just throw your eggs around. Someone might catch it. Just throw your eggs around. Yeah. So yeah guys, this is like literally the whole application process. I'm not gonna go through it. I'm not gonna literally fill in, like I was plugging you guys on the sites and I was showing you guys that you can work from home while you live in South Africa. So yeah guys, that is literally it for this video. If you watched till this far, thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and make a bag. Let's make money. Make sure you give this video a like, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of ways that you can make money online. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye.